Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm going to show you something very different, which is teeth whitening at home. It's a really quick and easy method. If you want to know how to whiten your teeth at home without spending much on your teeth, then make sure to keep watching this video until the end. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. There can be several factors for yellow teeth. It can be due to your diet, due to smoking, due to caffeine products, or due to simply poor dental hygiene, or it can also be genetics. So all you need to is just about 1 small spoon of baking soda. You can also call it bicarbonate of soda. And just add a few drops of lemon just to make sure to have a kind of like a soft consistency. You can just add a little bit more. Yeah. Once you are ready with this mixture, make sure to apply it with the help of a brush and leave it on your teeth for about 2 minutes. Baking soda can be extremely strong, so therefore make sure you apply it only on your teeth for about 2 minutes, not longer than that. It's not needed. And simply apply it with the help of a brush on the top of your teeth, at the bottom, and just leave it like that. And yeah, it's pretty much simple. Make sure to apply the mixture for just 2 minutes, not more than that. So once I've done that, let me just show you my teeth. This is the after shot. I definitely have a very strong feeling, and I can also see it physically, and you can see it as well, that it definitely has helped my teeth. And another thing I wanted to say to all of you guys is please be careful not to use this baking soda method more than once a week, because it actually if you use it more than once a week, it can make your enamel a bit weak. So because of that reason, I would suggest you use it only once a week. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Try it at home and let me know how it worked for you guys. It always works for me, and I hope it should actually definitely work for you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and love you all. Mwah.